My name is Tobias Roth. I'm the geoscience technologist at Laurentian University in Sudbury, Ontario. I'm the instructor for first-year laboratories, and I'm going to give you an overview of what these laboratories will look like in the fall 2020 academic term. Each one of our students will receive these minerals packed in kit, and those kits are being packed into boxes. So I'm saying several kits because there will be a kit with minerals, there will be a kit with tools, and these tools are used to identify the properties of the minerals, such as the hardness, the mineral cleavage, the streak magnetism, and others. So once we understand the minerals, and some of which are containing base metals, metals like copper and zinc that we use in our everyday lives, we also will then understand rocks in detail. So in our remote delivery of the fall 2020 geology labs, we will discuss these by our students, each having the rocks at their disposition, and me showing them under a microscope for everybody to see the detail that we like to observe. So we have the sedimentary rock types, we have the igneous rock types, and the far counter, we also have the metamorphic rock types. So stay safe, everybody, and we'll try the best to make it a productive discussion to understand rocks and minerals in big detail.